ADHERE Pro Tape program. We are in the car, got the pod pack in the back. We are loaded to the brim with all our stuff. We didn't even know what to bring, so we just brought everything that we feel like might convince somebody to write a check. I mean, it's a competition and there's multiple rounds, but I figured, you know what, you never know who you're gonna meet down there. You might walk away and come home with a check today, who knows? So you wanna have what you need. So I brought my laptop, brought the luggage, brought all my medication stuff, food, you know, pitch practice material, everything I need. It's about a 3.5, 4 hour drive to get there. So I'm gonna probably listen to my pitch on repeat that whole time, and then also practice out loud. So yeah, it's game time, right? Like it's go time. Like it's time to just put on that game face and get it done. We do have our nice outfit on, so that's kind of nice. You know, everybody gets to see me in some nice clothes as opposed to usually just in a t-shirt and some jeans or shorts or something working. So this is actually my comfort zone. I like, you know, dressing like this. It just doesn't happen too often right now. But yeah, we did a few troubleshooting on the luggage before we left. Brought a few tools and stuff, just in case we run into anything, but I doubt we will. But yeah, we're ready. We are totally ready. Like, we've been listening on repeat all night to the speech the last couple nights, and that's helped out a lot. You know, practicing out loud, you know, in the front of the mirror, all that fun stuff. So let's do this. So we'll check in with you guys later. We've never been to Bend, Oregon before, so from a road trip perspective, that's pretty exciting. We'll see how all that goes. But yeah, wish me luck.